Hello and welcome everyone to Bin Science. So today we are going to try growing microgreens using tissue papers and any kind of containers or plates which are available in our house. Now for those who do not know what are microgreens, these are smaller versions of the plants which we consume, and their harvesting time is also comparatively more quick and faster than the others, and they have a lot more nutrition. Also, they can be grown indoors. So let's just get started with the video and let us see how we can grow them. I'm using the lid of a box. You can use any shallow container or you can also use plates. If you have any chocolate boxes, you can also use the containers of these chocolate boxes or their lid. Next thing that we will be needing is a tissue paper. Then we will be needing water, and finally we will be needing seeds. I have used mustard seeds, or it is also known as rai in Hindi. The procedure is pretty simple. You simply take the lid and the tissue, you just tear the tissue paper and you can just start placing it in the lid or any kind of shallow container that you are using, or the plates. Now we are simply going to just moist the tissue papers using water. You can directly just sprinkle it using your hands also. I was having the liberty to use the spray can. I had the spray bottle with me, so I'm using a spray bottle, but it's really not necessary if you don't have one. Now I can observe some patches which are left, so I'm just filling it with the tissue paper. This is really the first time, it doesn't matter, so I'm just giving it trial and errors in this technique. You can also just do it, it's simple, it's still going to come out well. So you just fill in these patches if you feel like, and then again you water it, and then you can just sprinkle the seeds all over. Actually it is said that you should sprinkle it uniformly, you should keep it a little random, it shouldn't be kept in clusters. It's okay. As you're trying it for the first time, don't stress so much. Again, seeds are sprinkled and you start watering it. So this is it. It is as simple as you can see. Now you just have to cover this and then you can check it the next day. So that's day one. This is the first time you will be smiling as the seeds have started germinating, and it was actually a success trying out with tissues. So yes, you can see it's working. It's simple, it's quick, and it's working. So for day 2 also, these seeds were covered and they were kept in dark. So until you find maximum of the seeds have started germinating, just keep them in dark, that is, just keep them covered. This is the kind of length that you will be able to see after almost a week, and you can see it's growing perfectly on the tissue. So I was quite happy growing the microgreens, and I'll be soon harvesting them and using them in maybe a salad or a sandwich. I will be sharing it on my Instagram, the pictures, how I have used the microgreens. But this experiment, or you can say this project, has kind of motivated me to try few more seeds. So for that I thought of ordering some seeds which I always wanted to try. So I was familiar with this company known as Farm Studio. Now this is nothing to do with any kind of sponsorship or any kind of collaboration. This is simply that I wanted to try their products, and that's why I want to review their products. So this is the kit that they suggested me. Instead of just getting the seeds, they suggested me, you should try this microgreen kit. So let me start unboxing this kit for you, and let us see what kind of technique they are suggesting us to follow for microgreens. So there is a small spray bottle for watering the greens. There are 3 packets of seeds that the kit provides. we have your alfalfa, there is arugula, and there is radish. Talking about the containers, they have provided 2 containers. Again, these are not very deep containers, these are shallow containers. And there is a seed, you can say a seed bed that they have provided, and it is actually a coco coir. It is an organic coco coir seed plant bed. Let me just show it to you. So this is the medium that they have provided. So instead of using the tissues, here we will be using this seed bed, and it is simply that we have to place it in the container. Then we just have to water this medium. Okay, it should be moist enough. Then we simply have to sprinkle the seeds over this seed bed, and then we again have to water it, and then we just need to cover it. That's it. The process is as simple as that. It's the same as we are following for tissue paper, only it is that instead of the tissue paper we are having a seed bed which is of coco coir. So there are 2 such containers, and there are 2 beds for each. The kit also provides you with a guide, or you can say a manual, which is going to tell you what is a microgreen, the instructions, the steps. So everything is provided in this manual, which will help you to grow the microgreen using the kit. So this is all that the kit offers, and it is a pretty good kit for someone who is looking for like a beginner's kit to start growing microgreens. And I'll be using all the seeds that they have provided, and I will be sharing the pictures of these microgreens on my Instagram. Please do follow me on Instagram. I will be providing the link in the description box, and if you have liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Do share it with your friends, and also you can just hit the bell icon so that you will be updated with all the videos that come up. Thank you, and till then, binge science.